quality of the cut and the operation of the machine is top notch.
So I've come today to look at what else is on offer. So we are looking at the PHOTON Lite.
And now during the open house, I went here to see what the machine can do in real life. And I'm very impressed.
Spoke to the technical guys here today, which were helpful in identifying exactly what kilowattage I need and what size of machine.
We have a relationship with Esprit which spans over 20 years. We're here to look at one of the new machines and new investment for the business, the PHOTON Lite. It's been a fantastic day. Service and hospitality has been super.
I come from Leuven in Denmark, and lately we have seen this new development from Esprit, the PHOTON Lite laser cutting machine that really caught our interest.
It's great for its application, it's small, it would suit a fabricator that wants to look after in-house fittings. Yes, I would recommend Esprit. I think it's world leading and it's an impressive setup. I've been impressed with the facility today.
These 2 days I've really learned more that I can bring to the customers. We hope to sign for the first order.
So coming down here and also looking at what's on offer is a great help in determining what, as a customer, what we need.